Welcome to Bauma Shanghai. This year, because of COVID, we are not able to participate live in Shanghai for seeing the world's largest construction equipment fair. But I am sure the digital platforms leveraged by SANY would give you a live feature of what SANY is and what SANY is coming in future with for you. Thank you so much.
In 2007, SANY Group became one of the early construction equipment companies to set up a manufacturing base in India. Not only was it SANY Group's first overseas investment of this quantum, but also the first instance of a Chinese construction machinery company setting up such a facility overseas. A move that has now proved to be astute and foresighted. SANY Group's entry also became a new milestone for India, as the arrival went on to set new benchmarks of quality and reliability for the country's construction machinery industry. Today, SANY is considered as one of the key leaders in India's infrastructure sector. The proof of its leadership is the fact that no major infrastructure site is complete without the presence of at least one of SANY's machines, proving its mettle under extremely challenging circumstances. With over 5 million kilometers of roads and an ever-expanding network of metro lines, SANY's rugged and versatile machines are playing a key role in not only modernizing India's infrastructure but also its South Asian neighbors. Infra building is a complex process. Given the scale, these require clever planning and precise execution. The latter is achieved with the help of state-of-the-art machinery. SANY India has always been in the forefront of this cause. The relentless pursuit of the quality has now seen SANY India sustain #1 position in the cranes and piling rigs segment successively for the last 3 years. In excavators also, SANY India has grown from strength to strength and currently sells more than 2,500 excavators in a year. Currently, more than 15,000 SANY India's manufactured machines are being used in various construction operations in India and South Asia. One of the key reasons has been its ability to provide world-class quality products with cutting-edge technologies at competitive prices achieved with the help of sustained focus on localization. Today, more than 45 different models are manufactured at SANY India's manufacturing facility in Pune. SANY supports this ever-increasing base of customers with a strong network of 36 dealer partners, 150 outlets, and nearly 20 MOUs with various financial institutions in India and South Asia. SANY India's warehouse caters to all kinds of spare part requirements for India and South Asia. Every month, more than 100,000 spare parts get routed through this warehouse to ensure maximum uptime of our machines. Modern digital systems ensure spare part requests are promptly and efficiently addressed. SANY India's Pune facility is an engineering marvel of sorts that mirrors the strengths of the parent factory. Its assembly lines are equipped with semi-automated and automated machineries which ensure highest level of safety and quality products. These further undergo various testing processes to ensure that there is no room for error. The robotic arms with their precise moves carrying out automatic welding and other assembly line stages are as state-of-the-art as it gets. Regular laboratory tests for parameters such as material hardness and millipore testing for hose and tubes means a SANY machine achieves the bulletproof reliability expected from a world-class company. SANY India's one-of-its-kind massive expansion of paint booth covers around 50,000 square feet area. At the center of this is SANY India's workforce of around 1,800 plus committed individuals both in the factory and outside of it. Every year, SANY carries out around 150 plus training sessions for the sales and service teams and SANY India customers. In association with the Infrastructure Equipment Skill Council, it trains both operators and technicians to help them become self-reliant. SANY India is well on its way for the vision to become the #1 construction equipment manufacturer in India by revenue in the times to come.